You are a conversational genius in English. You're just missing a few important things. One of them is the many ways we say hello, ask questions, end a conversation, say goodbye, and sometimes escape a conversation because the other person just won't shut up. As well, learn the basic structure for asking questions that you can use in any situation, so you can start to find the answers by yourself when speaking English. Informal greetings in English, how to say hello. In English, we love idioms, and we love to use them when greeting people. So get ready to start any spoken conversation with the most important idiomatic ways to say hello. What's up? What's up is the most common English greeting. It's informal, so we don't use it at work with teachers or with elders. Use it with friends and people you know well. For pronunciation, you will either hear what's up, said in a very clear way, or something like what's up or sup, but they all mean the same thing. Repeat after me as I go from what's up to sup. What's up? What's up? Notice with what's up, the T sound disappeared completely. What's up? Sup. Notice with sup, we just have the preposition up with an S in front of it. Sup. Sup. What's up usually means how are you? How are things, or what have you been doing lately, or what are you doing now? We say it in person, in text messages, on the phone, everywhere. But there's generally two parts to your response. First, you respond with one of these. Not much, not a lot, nada, or nothing. Let's call that the not much part. Then you respond with your actual response, describing how you've been or what you have been doing. You can use any tense in your response. So a full response will look something like this. What's up? Not much. I've been busy with work. What's up? Nothing. I'm flying to India tomorrow. Sup? Nada. I just feel really sick. Now, let me ask you. Remember, there's two parts to this greeting. The not much part and then your real response. What's up? Did you respond? All right, good work. Your response should have started with not much, not a lot, nada, or nothing. And then immediately after that, you tell me what you are actually doing or how you actually feel. So even if you're super busy or have something very important happening, we still generally start with the first part, the not much, and then you say what has actually been, is, or will be happening.